The National Interest Waiver can be used to assist a foreign national worker in basically skipping or waiving that first part of the green card process known as PERM or the labor certification. If you show the Department of Labor and U.S. Immigration that the position qualifies by showing that the position has intrinsic merit, then you can get that first part of the process waived. Now, what is intrinsic merit? To show intrinsic merit, you have to show that the work that the foreign national does is in the public interest of the United States. And it has to have a nationwide impact. It can't be localized or just an impact within your state. So the bar is pretty high when trying to prove to the government that the position qualifies for NIW. As an example, some of the positions that might qualify that I've worked on before would be a cancer researcher or someone working on national security issues. Or someone who's supporting or assisting a federal program in an important project like NASA or NOAA or the Department of Defense. Those would give you really good arguments to make that NIW showing. Now, keep in mind that for some workers, the NIW won't give them a great benefit in terms of speeding up processing. Because even though you can skip that first part of the process, the PERM or labor certification process, the NIW category is EB2. It's not an EB1 priority worker category. And that means that the immigrant visa backlogs will still apply to nationals from India or China who qualify, and they might still see those multi-year backlog waiting lines that they see in other types of PERM programs. So you'll have to make sure that that's a part of your analysis when looking at the total benefit that using an NIW type application can have for your employee.